Hello everyone! Blessed Thursday morning po sa ating lahat. So today is June 12, 2025. So ayan guys, meron po pala tayong today's verse ngayon.
The wood extended up to the lintel of the door, even to the outer sanctuary, and on the walls throughout the inner room. In the nave there was a pattern that depicted cherubim and palm trees, with one palm tree between every pair of cherubim. Ezekiel chapter 41 verse 17 to 18.
So ayan guys, that's all for today's verse. So sana po yung ating verse for today, makapagbibigay po siya ng enlightenment sa atin sa buong araw na ito. And ayan po, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood and huwag pong kalimutan magdasal. See you again on Saturday. God bless us all. Bye!